to a person who has given a false document produced before this honorable court along with the affidavit, my lord.
Lord, the signature is not his signature. Kindly see the signature, my lord, and kindly see the other affidavit which is filed by the same person before this honorable court, that is on record, my lord. Both the signatures are different.
यहाँ कोर्ट में सर
नहीं ये तो आपने लगाया ना आवेदन, गोल नहीं, सीधा आंसर कीजिए।
जी सर।
आवेदन ये सब नहीं, अब समझने को आप उतना समझते हैं। बताइए शुभ कदम वो जो D1 किसने दिया था इनको?
He's saying,
अभी don't say anything unless we ask you. Okay, you understand where we are leading.
Yes.
Don't say any suggestion or anything. No advocate should comment. We are directly asking him.
Kindly see the signature once.
No, both of you should be sent to the custody.
But kindly see the signature once.
Manufacturing a document to mislead the court.
My lord, on last date of hearing, my lord, the honorable court issued a contempt notice to a person who has given a false document produced before this honorable court along with the affidavit, my lord. Subh Kadam. And the owner was called earlier before this honorable court, and he appeared before the court and said that I am not the owner of the shop. And
इसमें reply हो गया चंदन माखीजा?
no, my lord, he has.
I am filing my wakalatnama for Chandan Makhija.
What is your contention?
Yes, Lord, I have sought instructions, my lord. He says, my lord, that the letterhead which is there, my lord, on record, Lord, the signature is not his signature. Kindly see the signature, my lord, and kindly see the other affidavit which is filed by the same person before this honorable court, that is on record, my lord. Both the signatures are different, my lord. And the wakalatnama he has signed for me, this signature is also not that signature which is on that disputed document.
That means it's a perennial fraud.
This is not.
If he is saying so.
Let this be sent to the police. He will investigate where from.
If
you are creating certain document and you are banking upon it, that 3 जगह signature अलग है.
No, 3 जगह signature अलग नहीं, ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ. Disputed document में जो signature है, that document is that is not my signature. That can be ascertained by the other documents which have been filed having signature of Chandan Makhija. The other signatures are entirely different. Even in my wakalatnama also he has signed. That is a difference.
कौन है?
He is appealant. And so far as the
just a minute.
जी.
हरीश खत्री
जी सर।
ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल किए थे ना अपने D1 शुभ कदम,
जी सर।
ये किसने दिया था आपको?
जी सर।
शुभ कदम ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल किए थे ना, किसने दिया था?
सर मैं ये आवेदन दिए लगाए थे सर।
कहाँ पे?
यहाँ कोर्ट में सर।
नहीं ये तो आपने लगाया ना आवेदन, गोल नहीं, सीधा आंसर कीजिए।
जी सर।
आवेदन ये सब नहीं, अब समझने को आप उतना समझते हैं। बताइए शुभ कदम वो जो D1 किसने दिया था इनको? यही पूछना है खाली। D1
ये दस्तावेज
किसने दिया था आपको?
कहाँ से लाए थे?
आपने जो लगाया है
उनकी दुकान से।
बताइए
सर, ये कागज उनकी दुकान से लाए थे सर।
किसके दुकान से?
शुभ कदम के। वहाँ काम करते थे सर।
काम करते हैं वहां
जी।
The appellant who is present in person on being confronted with the document D1 which is filed along with the affidavit. Of the appellant. That to show that he is working as an employee in Shubh Kadam, which is signed by Chandan Makhija. He said that he obtained it from the shop Shubh Kadam. किसने दिया? आप दुकान तो हो गया, शुभ कदम किसने दिया? कोई आदमी तो होगा जिसने आपको दिया, आपने बोला होगा हमको दीजिए। किसने दिया?
चंदन माखीजा हमको उससे लिया था कागज।
क्या
आवेदन जो था कागज वो चंदन माखीजा से लिया था, अपने वहाँ जो मैनेजर है
चंदन माखीजा दिया
जी, उनसे लिया था। वहाँ काम
सबमिट the said document was given by Chandan Makhija.
One submission is there.
नहीं क्लोज कर, एक स्टेप को सील करते जाते
नहीं,
हैं।
एक सबमिशन है।
अभी कुछ
अभी
don't say anything
जी,
unless we ask you.
जी,
Okay, you understand where we are leading.
Yes.
Don't say any suggestion or anything. No advocate should comment. We are directly asking him. Okay. चंदन माखीजा ने दिया था।
जी सर।
चंदन माखीजा he is there?
Yes.
Call him. यही है चंदन माखीजा?
जी सर।
Chandan Makhija, who was summoned by the court as to why the contempt be not drawn. He appeared, and when he was called before the court, the appellant identified the person as Chandan Makhija, to whom the contempt notice was issued. Yes, Absil, now you go, both of them. बैठिए पीछे. Why we should not adopt criminal contempt?
My lord, I'm praying just to see the document.
Nothing doing. We'll send it to the
No,
Person-
what the appellant has.
primary evidence we have recorded.
Yes, yes. What the appellant has stated just now, he means to say that the letter pad he has obtained, not the written letter pad, my lord. Kindly,
No, nothing doing. We have asked, we know what we have asked, and he had identified. It's an identification before the court.
my lord, yes, my lord, of course, but the,
He obtained whatever may be, he obtained it from the person who is in the person. Who is
but-
present.
but blank, my lord, blank. Kindly see the signature once.
No, both of you should be sent to the custody then.
Let kindly see the signature once.
Manufacturing a document to mislead the court.
But he obtained a blank document. I have instructions, my lord.
लिखा देते हैं आपको. So that your defense is sealed subsequently. Learned counsel who appears for Chandan Makhija would submit that the blank document was obtained from Subh Kadam. Whereas the appellant who appeared in person contended that he obtained the document D1 from Chandan Makhija.
Sir, paper के लिए
In
बोला.
view of the contradictory statement, we deem the prima facie it appears that the fabricated document has been placed on before the court to mislead the court in order to impart the justice on merits, which amounts to interference, which prima facie amount to interference with the judicial, with the administration of justice. In view of that, we refer this case, we refer the issue to the concerned police station of Chakradhar Nagar, Raigad, to investigate and come out with a report which may be placed here. The Registrar Judicial shall furnish the copy of the affidavit filed by Harish Khatri along with D1 and the reply here. The copy of the order sheet of today shall also be furnished to the concerned police station, who after investigation shall file a report before this court on